And you know that answer better than anybody. I never worked for Russia. Not only did I never work for Russia, I think it's a disgrace that you even asked that question, because it's a whole big fat hoax. It's just a hoax.
So sadistic, always on that fucking killing shit. Bullets on the beat and see an average gang of murder it. Nothing gonna phase us out and watch us as we conquer it. Blacked out, fed red eyes, yeah, I'm motionless. I'm running in the circles of my life and I ain't feeling it no more. Can I even out the score? Religious repetition, leave that bullshit at the door. Like the fuel, start the war. There is many fucking things I still cannot ignore. Pushing your beliefs, some people I can't take it anymore. Hard times and I'm heading down a long road. Mental scars and still bleeding with my eyes closed. Many scary stories that I'm leaving untold. Pages ripping my decision, watch it unfold.
We don't need no fucking witness, we get straight to business, bitch, yo. Feel like Bobby Smarter way and make that body flip, yo. Grimy motherfuckers always worrying about my clip, yo. You ain't rep the game, get the fuck up on my shit, yo. Posted in the lazy river, corpses on my big body bands, all black in a trench coat. Got a morgue inside the crib, where your fucking limbs go. It's a dead when the blood shedding, making red snow. Got the Beretta, but I'ma hit you with the longbow. Give you a couple minutes so you can say your final prayers. They keep saying we the underdog, yeah bitch we aware. Came a long way, still walking down the devil's stairs. All you shitty fucking rappers in the game, you gon' be dead. Got bottles, got weed, got my I'm all the way up. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. I'm all the way up. 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 For my niggas with Bentley coupes and Rolexes. Kicked the bitch out the room and gave her no breakfast. Had to stash the jewels, these bitches so reckless. Keep my hoes on cruise, I'm talking naughty uptown, showing off for new things. Couldn't take it all, so I gave her chain. She called me top shot, so yeah, I keep a few things. Champion sound, yeah, I got a few rings. And I'm all the way up. And you can stay up. And if you ask anybody where I live, they point to the hills and say, go all the way up. Go all the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. 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 me, I'm all the way up.
When I'm coming and I'm walking and I got a plan. I've been doing this shit by myself until I land. Said you got some problems for yourself, I understand. I just go and drop another track development. Please get out my way, yeah. When it's pretty cold, yeah, it's gonna stay. I've been in my zone, yeah, I've never ever been away. I'ma set the tone, so like all the other people stay. I'ma never stop, get it poppin' like a CBA. Yeah, had a choice. Don't wanna say never had a choice. Yeah, in and out the city with the boys. I just wanna go outside, I just wanna make some noise. But that's that, I don't relapse, I just pass back. Facts that, I just speak that, I'ma get that. Flashback, wearing all black, where the troops at. Kick back when I play back all of my tracks. Yeah, I'm always there, but I swear they never see. I've been going far, yeah, I'm going overseas. Certain type of vibe, you can feel it in the breeze. I just wanna be free, I just wanna go ghost. I'ma tell like all of the people who do the most. If you wanna live in the sequel, you never boast. I've been moving up from the valley to go to coast. Coming from remote, yeah, I go ghost. I'ma tell like all of the people who do the most. If you wanna live in the sequel, you never boast. I've been moving up from the valley to go to coast. Coming from remote, got like too much pros and cons, I don't know what's coming next. I've been making all the beats, pass the time and get the check. When they say they wanna talk, only send it through a text. Never notice what you want, but I still show you respect. I guess that's just how I function. Got the game on lock, I don't ever need no buttons. Long term shit, I don't wanna do no cuffing. Yeah, I'm in and out the town, coming up in the discussion. Like I do something, you do nothing. Bills keep coming, you keep running. Kick beat pumping, bass keep bumping. Drop another track, gotta keep this shit coming. Lately I've been on and off, I've been working hard, never working hard enough. I've been way too quiet, shit, I need a new exhaust. Got so many tracks that I just go and then I talk. Shit, I never knew the cost, like whoa. Yeah, I'm always there, but I swear they never see. I've been going far, yeah, I'm going overseas. Certain type of vibe, you can feel it in the breeze. I just wanna be free, I just wanna go ghost. I'ma tell like all of the people who do the most. If you wanna live in the sequel, you never boast. I've been moving up from the valley to go to coast. Coming from remote, yeah, I go ghost. I'ma tell like all of the people who do the most. If you wanna live in the sequel, you never boast. I've been moving up from the valley to go to coast. Coming from remote.
fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you over me. Got no kids, got me daddy of the day. I be rich, ain't no money, that's a thing. Got no queen, but I'm feeling like a king. Ay, I see money, I see bitches in the Bentley. How the fuck you still a loser, you a dead J. I say you don't wanna take another chance, J. Get the fuck out my face, I don't wanna dance, J. Hey, yeah, on my days, tell me on my days. I've been ballin', yes I'm ballin' every day. Get it bouncing, all you gotta catch a fade. I'm a alley, you can boy you out of way. I've had enough of your shit, I'm about to rage. Get my burst out like I'm in a game. Another 3 shots, take you to a place. Stop around. Two rounds, AK in my gown. Pull it out like somebody calling me now. Who this? Picking up my phone. Roll with me, I put your body on the ground. Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, babe, you don't need a thing. Oh no, throw it up on your face. Better wipe it off, you look like a disgrace. Homemade, I can go for days. Second bodies, that's all okay. I'm a beat, take it through his race. Nah, baby, before I catch a case. Yeah.
You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. Haters always do the least, but they always talking the most. You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. Careful when saying my name, please just stay in your lane. You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. I'ma go get it so you know I'm gonna go and get it, make it scope. Because when I blow extra hole in it, yes sir, I'm the Mr. Word flip words, gymnastic chicks with curves, get my pole twist till it gets stiffer, then they land that dismount in a split word. Hoop black and yellow, honey lime green, red bean, turn your house into a crime scene. Rose gold, turn your baby mom to my babysitter. She say I, then I leave my kids with her. I'm the type of nigga that'll wife your kid's sister just to make you the brother that I gotta get rid of. On that Cain and Abel, paramedics came to save you, but you in 1,000 pieces. That AK just 1K'd you. Diamonds in my watch, call it hard times. You rent yours, I brought mine. Think I got a case of insomnia, cause I got my eyes open at all times. Chevy same color as mustard, Chevy same color as ketchup. All of my haters look sick, cause they know that I run that checkup. Just got some ass in the back of my Benz, that's my ideal of a written collision. Ray-Bans on, looking like Ray Charles. I don't need no vision, they know what I'm hitting, man, listen. I don't talk much, but I spaz in the booth like white folks when I did Starbucks. Got a chocolate mix that tastes like a Star Crunch, and a white girl whose brain can make your heart jump. Yeah, you don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. Haters always do the least, but they always talking the most. You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. Careful when saying my name, please just stay in your lane. You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no.
Spit sick words, I don't whisper in a lit verse. Get curved quicker than a fastball by a pitcher. It'll get worse when I continue to rap, but they ain't ready for that, cause I've been doing everything to work up on the floor and cadence, hating, debating. It is so blatant to see that none of y'all are better than me, so better believe there ain't nothing I can't do. From videos to flows to shows, I am the one that rows the boat. The captain wears my coat, don't know I gloat, devote my time to make this. And I play the game, it's operation. I'm the shit, you're constipated. I'm related to the best that made it. Who's the GOAT? It's Miggy in the conversation. I can't wait to take this all away from all the base. I'm ballin' late, cause shit is dangerous, ayy. You don't want smoke like a playground, get laid out like blueprints for a new house, take a new route. This ain't no carpool lane, bitch, I'm Usain. Lift up new crane, this kicks who cane, rush tracks, new train, get cooked on main, hang, kill propane, goddamn. I just really wanna be the man, hotter than a sweater in Sedan. Window fan, in the room, but I'm all in the tune. Bada bing, bada boom, so it's best for you dudes. Not to step to the kid and invest in the lid to cover your mouth, but you know what I'm about. So keep my name out of it, yelling it louder so all of y'all hearing me. You don't want no smoke.
You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. Haters always do the least, but they always talking the most. You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. You don't really want no smoke, you don't really want no smoke, no. Careful when saying my name, please just stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. You don't really want no smoke. You don't really want no smoke. No. Twin bodies on me, got a nigga really merely watching Patch Space. 2019, got the city watching. Ain't been to church in a while, pray for me. But I'm still seeing all of these prophets. Stop it. If my name is the topic and you talking crazy, you might get your jaw hit smack. Playing games, pausing. My AK gay coming out of the closet. I flow the hardest. I go retarded regardless the audience. And if I'm ever targeted, I'm red shopping carding it. Get it? They say life is a movie. I'm choosy. Excuse me if you're not a part of it. Keep it cutie with a booty poking out like student drivers trying to parallel park again. Parkinson's. The way she got it shaking and quaking, I'm making her make faces while she screaming out the God again. Oh God. And if a nigga wanna trip, I take a trip with a gun and a clip and make them both talk to him. But I'm not violent. I'm silent. Yet so fly. High five pilots. If I get a brawl with too high mileage, I just kick her out on that King Leonidas. No ghostwriter could write this. Unless Jesus Christ did. Downgrading from a Benz to a Chrysler's my ideal of a crisis. I no longer care what the price is. A girl puts a girl equals me with them legs divided. But no, we are not multiplying. They get subtracted after no overnighting. You don't really want no smoke. You don't really want no smoke. No. You don't really want no smoke. You don't really want no smoke. No. Haters always do the least, but they always talking the most. You don't really want no smoke. You don't really want no smoke. No. You don't really want no smoke. You don't really want no smoke. No. You don't really want no smoke. You don't really want no smoke. No smoke. Careful when saying my name. Please just stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. You don't really want no smoke. You don't really want no smoke. No.
Told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real lies in these real times to be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 you know I've been waiting. But will you wait for me?
Forever grinding, waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. When life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff, I use it all as motivation, but it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly by might be the hardest thing I have to do in life. Frustrated that I ain't where I want to be yet, but I know that I'ma make it if I chase that check. Yes.
Cause I done seen the time go by for too many years now when the stars were aligned. Cause I done seen the time go by. Yeah, I done seen the time go by.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 you know I've been waiting. But will you wait for me?
heaven job and not much time to dream and play. We wanna party with you, we deserve partying too. Now it's time for us to join in. Crazy, and everybody's jumping up and down. We're crazy, oh come on, we're going crazy, and everybody's jumping up and down. We're crazy, so come on, yeah.
Pockets full of money and I'm ready to go crazy. Let it out, let me shout. You can be my baby. I just wanna party and I'm ready to go crazy. Let it out, let me shout. You can be my baby. You can be my baby. Pockets full of money and I'm ready to go crazy. Let it out, let me shout. You can be my baby. I just wanna party and I'm ready to go crazy. Let it out, let me shout. You can be my baby.
Bikini sexy girls, we party in the sunlight. The DJ's playing music, it's alright. And love is in the air, and love is what we share. So party people, it is time that we go crazy. And everybody's jumping up and down crazy. So come on, we're going crazy. And everybody's jumping up and down crazy. So come on, yeah.
Pockets full of money and I'm ready to go crazy. Let it out, let me shout. You can be my baby. I just wanna party and I'm ready to go crazy. Let it out, let me shout. You can be my baby.
Everybody's jumping up and down, we're crazy. So come on, yeah.
Pockets full of money and I'm ready to go crazy. Let it out, let me shout. You can be my baby. I just wanna party and I'm ready to go crazy. Let it out, let me shout. You can be my baby. You can be my baby. You can be
up. Told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real lies in these real times to be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. But will you wait for me?
My whole life I'm forever grinding, waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. When life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff, I use it all as motivation, but it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly by might be the hardest thing I have to do in life. Frustrated that I ain't where I want to be yet, but I know that I'ma make it if I chase that check. Yes.
Cause I done seen the time go by for too many years now when the stars were aligned. Cause I done seen the time go by. Yeah, I done seen the time go by.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. But will you wait for me?
Joking, police ride around all day joking, but I just chalk it up, don't give a fuck, cause I ain't talking.